Welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have a good day. I had my good day today. It was quite busy, but it was good busy. So today I'm going to share with you guys how do you buck yourself up when you are feeling really down. So one of the things I do is I read a lot of books. Over the years, I would say I don't read books is because I am not a good reader. I am not good in reading and understanding some simple English. But I realized one thing, the great people in life, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Alibaba, Jack Ma, they are all reading books to enrich themselves. But I think reading books is useless. If I say a book changed my life, I'll be lying to you. But I will say this, a book don't change a person's life, but a book, when you implemented the right strategy, will change your business, it might change your trading, it might change something in your personal being. So today, I just want to share with you guys how do you really read a book and how do you really motivate yourself every day. Okay, so guys, I came from a very poverty background. So of course, when you came from a very, very bad background, there's not much motivation needed. So every day I motivate myself through one thing. I wake up early and I ask myself, what can I do today to enrich myself? What can I do today to help others? So as the years pass by, as I get more mature, I realize helping others is like really helping myself, alright? So when, of course, some days are really tough, some days are really bad, some days are really haywire for me. In business it's the same, in trading it's the same. So when I encounter my bad days, normally I do a few things. First, I'll detach myself from the outside world. I will not talk to anyone, I will cool down myself, I will ask myself questions, what went wrong, what are the sources that I did not do right, what are the root of the sources that made me a mistake, blah blah blah. And from there I try to find out solutions for it. And of course, that's one. And the second, after that, trying to finding out the solutions and stuff like that, I will go meditation. Why meditation? Because meditation allows me to cool down myself, calm my mind down, and make my mind in a still mode. When my mind's in a still mode, I can think better. I know what's the next step that I need to do. After when I calm my mind in a still mode, I'm more like cool down, chill, sort of like relax. Then I'll pick up a book. Of course, guys, when you pick up a book, you don't pick up a normal book. You pick a book that is related to your business. You pick a book that's related to your trading, or you pick a book that's related to your well-being. So normally, I read quite an extensive amount of books. I read philosophical books, I read psychology books, I read martial art books. Even though I don't play martial arts, but I read a lot of martial art books to know the deep meaning, the profound meaning of martial arts. And of course, I read some memos, biography, Bill Gates, Alibaba. So today, I just want to share with you one book that did not change my life, but one book that made me think differently. And it helped me in my trading, it helped me in my business, in my career. So this book, I mentioned before, is from Robert Kuok. And guys, I just want to show you one page. Okay, page 143. So I'll flip to hit page 143. And I want to show you guys this important page. That Robert Kuok, how Robert Kuok made his first millions of dollars. So I'm going to read you guys really quick. My English may not be right, my English may not be good, but I read it real quick. Alright? Can you see this page 143? Okay, so after years of remaining stagnant, with sugar price stuck in the range of 22 to 8 pounds a ton, 1963 brought a rising market, but the market did not move. But the market did not only go one way. In the summer, I've been buying, the market had gone in my favor, but I found myself sitting on a profit of $50,000 then to $100,000 a pound. At the end of the summer, I got very bullish. I told my managers in Singapore, buy, buy, buy. So we were here in Singapore with about 20,000 tons of physical sugar. I was also long on futures. My average price was something like 35 pounds per ton. The market was around $40. Suddenly, the price collapsed to $33 and it looked like it's going to go lower. I could have been wiped out if I had gone down much lower. Every trader in London was caught wrong and nobody wore a smile. Okay, so can you see Robert Kuok did something wrong? He was so bullish on sugar. He started buying sugar, and because confidence built him higher and he started to go really big, and suddenly from $40, the price tumbled to $35. So I think it was about $5 drop. He's got a little bit worried. I sweated. Can you see he used the word I sweated? Another 10 to 12 days. Meanwhile, the market had descended to about $30 before moving sideways. Can you see from $40 to $30 with 20,000 tons, he's losing a lot of money. Marketing until September. Hurricane Florida started to move across Caribbean. One of the deadliest storms on record. It hit Cuba, the world's largest sugar exporter, and severely damaged the sugar crop. The wires were buzzing. The telefax were going and sugar took off. From 10 or more trading days, sugar price soared all the way up to over 60 pounds a ton. Of course, when it went up to 48, 40, 49, can you see this? This is a keyword. I was taking my profits. Of course, so he bought at $40. He went to 33, he went to $30, and sugar, Robert Kuok was almost down $10, and then sugar went sideways. Can you see moving sideways? And then out of two weeks later, sugar went to $60. But the trick is, of course, when it went up to 48, 49, 50, he's starting to sell. I was taking my profit. That trip, I ended up making the most money in any short period of my life. Can you see, guys? So why am I sharing with you this? Guys, as a trader, as a commodities trader, as a stock trader, your job is not to try to catch the big, as powerful, as rich as Robert Kuok is. Can you see he's booking profits along the way? Can you see he's taking profits? He's not trying to catch the big price, but he's trying to sell on rising price, which is what I shared in my previous video. So if you've not watched my previous video, please watch my previous video of how he sold on rising price. So can you see, guys? I'm just reciting one page to you. There's about 378 pages, 376 pages. So I'm just reciting one page to you. Can you see how much I learned from this book? How much it changed my thinking? How much it helped me in my next trading stock? So guys, if some days you might be losing money, then just like Robert Kuok, he had his bad days. $40 become $30, so he had to suffer the $10 drop. So some days you might have your bad days. Some days it's a good day. Just remember this, guys. Whenever your bad days, do three things. You cool down, you come, you meditate, and then you get back up again by reading a book, by looking at more charts. I don't know what you do to help yourself, but everybody is different. So I'm speaking in the context of myself. So books do help me to soar higher, soar further. So guys, if you're interested in more videos like this, let me know. I can share with you guys how to really enrich yourself by reading the right books. So with this video, I hope you learned something about small trading tips like how Robert Kuok did it. This guy's a multi-billionaire. He's got good connections with China and Malaysia, Hong Kong, and Singapore. So he's a very powerful man. So if you want to make a lot of money, learn from the people who have done it. Learn from the people who have made it. Don't learn from your friends. Don't learn from your parents, because they are the ones that is doing the normal chores. They are the commoners on the street. So that's how I learn That's how I learn trading. That's how I drive myself every day. And why I love this Robert Kuok so much, because he is from my hometown, Johor Bahru. That's why I respect him a lot. With this video, like I said, thank you so much. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya, bye.